Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Smart Math EA for MT4. So this is an MT4 only expert advisor. According to the MQL5 Marketplace description, the EA is presented as a flexible automated trading solution that uses a grid strategy along with auto lot functionality and averaging features. Now, starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that the developer is Eric Shahazizian. The EA is listed at 500 US dollars. It comes with 5 activations, and the current version shown is 1.0. Looking through the description, the developer positions Smart Math EA as a tool that can be configured for different trading styles depending on the settings selected. The marketplace page specifically states that it can be used either for more aggressive deposit growth or for a more conservative approach, with behavior influenced by user configuration. One of the key points highlighted here is that the EA uses a grid strategy. The description also confirms the use of averaging and automatic lot sizing, which are core components of how the system operates. Since these features are explicitly mentioned by the developer, they are important considerations when evaluating the overall risk profile and trading behavior of the EA. As I continue through the marketplace information, the developer describes Smart Math EA as being easy to operate while offering enough flexibility for traders who want to customize risk and position management. Moving into the recommended setup section, the preferred trading environment provided by the developer includes EURUSD on the M15 time frame. The recommended minimum deposit is $500, and the suggested brokers include Exness, Alpari, and Robo Forex. The developer also recommends using leverage of at least 1:500. Now, let us take a look at the settings available. The first parameter is the initial lot size setting, which controls the starting trade volume. Traders can either use a fixed lot size or enable the money management option, allowing position sizing to be calculated from account balance. There is also a risk percent parameter that influences money management calculations, giving traders another way to adjust exposure levels. The step setting controls the distance between orders in points, while take profit determines the profit targets in points. Since the marketplace description confirms the use of a grid strategy, these parameters are likely important for defining how the system manages and spaces positions. Other settings include a unique magic number for identifying the EA's trades, an option called one order in candle, which limits the EA to opening only one order per candle when enabled, and a max orders parameter that controls the maximum number of simultaneously open positions. Now, there is also a graph information option that displays trading information directly on the chart. With the recommended setup covered, let's move into the historical backtesting section. When reviewing historical testing performance for a grid-based system, one of the main things I focus on is how position management behaves throughout different market conditions and how the overall trade structure develops over time. One of the observations I have here is how on several intervals there was a spike in the balance and a sudden you know drop in the balance back, just like a spike and decline. Here again, a spike and a decline, spike, sharp drop, spike, sharp drop on several occasions. Okay, but overall, it was a steady growth in the balance over time. And looking at the report here, this shows us Euro USD M15 time frame. backtested between 2nd January 2023 to 29th December 2023. Initial deposit $1,000, total net profits 1,160.83. We have about 665 trades taken, out of which 510 were profitable, giving us a 76.69% win rate. Now let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Smart Math EA performed on EURUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended over the past month using the Everytick modeling. Okay, so for my initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was just 23.25. Total trades taken were 91, out of which 80 were profitable, giving us an 87.91% win rate. Largest profit was 24.5, largest loss was 19.08, average profit $1.02, average loss $5.30. That tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. All right, but let's turn on the visual so we can also see the EA in action. Looking through the historical chart activity, we can observe the trading behavior and how the EA manages positions according to its configured parameters. Now, since the developer explicitly states that averaging and grid logic are part of the system, those elements become important areas to monitor when reviewing historical results. At this stage, I prefer focusing on consistency, drawdown behavior, and overall trade management rather than simply looking at the final profit figure. Historical testing can provide useful insight into how a system behaved during a specific period, but longer testing periods generally provide a broader and more reliable perspective. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and different optimization settings. As for the results, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results and historical testing performance, not guarantees of future outcomes. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, leverage, and user optimization choices. Overall, the Smart Math EA for MT4 is presented as a configurable grid-based trading system for EURUSD on the M15 time frame. The combination of averaging functionality, auto lot capability, customizable risk management, and order control settings provides traders with flexibility, but it also means that careful testing and optimization are essential before considering live deployment. As always, I would recommend thoroughly testing the EA on a demo account first, exploring different settings, and making sure the overall risk profile aligns with your own trading objectives before moving to a live environment. So that's my review of Smart Math EA for MT4. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more EA reviews and backtesting breakdowns. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.